Hey guys, I'm gonna show you my way of how I organize my YouTube content. Actually, this calendar type of thing is very straightforward, and I know there's a lot of project management tools. There's ClickUp, Monday, Trello that you can help you with the implementation or automation thing. But I think it's too much for me. I already tried it, but it's too much for my channel because my channel is more on like doing screen recording tutorial. So if your channel is same with me, I think this approach would be very straightforward and help you to become productive. But as I said, it's a case-to-case basis. So yeah, I just really want to be straightforward, making sure I am up to date with the publishing type of thing. So I have this calendar 1, 2, 3 until 31 days. It is separated by 2 channel, and then I have this status in here if it's ready. It's to do, filming, editing, scheduling, and publishing. And then at the bottom part, I have these ideas in mind. Okay, sometimes actually I have a lot of ideas in here that I need to load in my Excel file. So usually as well, this calendar refresh every month. So we are 1st of December right now. That's why you're not seeing anything in here. But yeah, this is my process. I load all of my ideas in here at the bottom part, and then when I am ready for filming it, I put this idea or topic in my calendar section. So for example, we are filming this video about how to organize your YouTube videos. So I'm gonna copy that or remove that into the topics option and put it in the calendar. So here, and it is under my second channel, Bookworm Head. Actually, we need to make sure that it is raw, and then I'm in the process of filming it. So I want to make sure that I am up to date. So we want to avoid this due date area and want to make sure that we are uploading videos on time. And it depends on you. If you want to upload every day, then you need to fill in this everyday, cards. But yeah, so once I already filming it or already done filming it, I usually put it in the calendar section or in the calendar card. Okay, so let's say we're already done this, like I'm already done filming this, I'm already done editing it. So let's put in editing. I jump into the Google keyword planner. So here you just need to type in Google keyword planner here. And you need to have a Google AdWords account as well. It's free, but you just need to link your card to make your Google Calendar activated. This is actually canceled, but yeah, just create an account and then connect your Google AdWords. Okay, so go into the tools and then go to the keyword, and then that's where you're gonna try to look for a list of keywords that is related to your tutorial. So I'm gonna type in how to organize YouTube videos or YouTube video planner, and then click on result. And then here you'll see a bunch of like an ideas. You can play around with organize YouTube. So as much as like I always pick keywords that has at least 1K average monthly search. 10K would be better. This one, keyword planner for YouTube, or just YouTube planner, or you can just check everything. But yeah, check everything and click on the copy. And then let's just pretend that you already done this filming, you already done the editing, you already have the final video. Just done here, editing, you're now ready for scheduling. Now I go into the video, create or upload. Let's just pretend this one is already uploaded. Usually when you copy the keywords here, it will give you this. So I'm gonna copy that. It will give you this a list. So if you copy that here, it will mess up your keywords. So I'm gonna copy like that. It's gonna merge everything. So one or more tags are too long. So what you're gonna do is you visit this website, capitalize title, you paste the list, and then you copy that, and then you put it in here. Okay, if it's too much, obviously you can, you know, just remove the existing keywords. Before, this takes me so much long of like manually putting the keywords, but that's the shortcut. Just go into that site so you can separate your keywords by comma. Now once you already have that, of course you need to have your thumbnail. With regards to the thumbnail, I just use Canva. I mean, I can use Photoshop and such, but we want to have a seamless process. We want it to be simple. So, and the thumbnails doesn't need to be very complicated. So I have it in here. So here, actually, yeah, that one, thumbnail, and I just, you know, copy or duplicate my old thumbnails and replace it to my keyword. So let's say simplified, powerful, save 90% of your time. So with regards to the thumbnail, I'm not gonna be, you know, this is not gonna do copywriting type of thing, but with regards of the thumbnail, you want to make sure it's less as possible and it's sketchy as well as possible. So like, yeah, you download that once you're ready, and then you upload it in here, and boom, you're good to go. So once it's already done, you can set on scheduled and publish. And yeah, you're just gonna this one will serve as the repository of your topic. I always load these topics because sometimes I put the topics when like I was doing something, and you know, I always put it over into my YouTube calendar. And again, as I said, every month, like I remove this and remove the topic and refresh it again, because like it doesn't make sense to keep it there or to duplicate the calendar, because this title is already published. Like, and aside of loading ideas in my topic repository, I also repurpose the videos or the content that I already uploaded. So what I mean about repurpose is I'm looking for an ideas that already work in the channel. So if you go into your channel, go back to your channel. So if we go back to our channel, what videos are performing well? So you can branch out more topic related to that video. So this video about mailbacks or Outlook thing is better. So I can come up with, sometimes I go to Reddit or something. So like Outlook question, or go to the chat GPT. So yeah, this is how I do it. So give me list of questions related to Outlook email troubleshooting. And yeah, it's gonna give you an idea. Again, ChatGPT is just your basis. And if it doesn't make sense, like if it's too simple to answer, obviously don't do that. But like this one, for example, how do I fix? So why are my Outlook folder are not displaying or missing? So that's pretty good as well. But you can also consider looking at your Google Keyword Planner, like Outlook folder missing. Let's see if that video works to create. So yeah, Outlook folder missing is 10K monthly search. It's something that we should be doing. And I hope this has been helpful. Let me know if this process works for you, or you prefer more the project management tools. Thank you and have a great day.